Finally, the wait is over. This is AMAZFIT GTS 2 mini smartwatch. So, watch this video completely. Why? Because I'm going to unbox this watch and I'm going to tell my review in this video. So, watch this video completely till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So, let's quickly unbox this and I will show you this watch and the box contents inside it. As you can see, the packing is so good. This is the smartwatch AMAZFIT GTS 2 mini. So let's see the box interface. Here you can see all the details available here. Now let's quickly open the seal from AMAZFIT. As you can see, the packing is good. You can see the box contents here. I think this is the warranty guide and big start information and all. Here you can see a very big book. If you want, you can read. And this is the smartwatch, as you can see. Here you can get the charging cable. Yes, this is the charging cable. As you can see, this is a magnetic charging cable, magnetic charging dock, and these are the box contents which you will get: a manual, watch, and a charging cable. That's it. These are the box contents from AMAZFIT 2 mini. This AMAZFIT GTS 2 mini, I have brought this watch from Amazon for 7,000 rupees. And this watch straps are easily changeable. I have brought these straps also. If you want, you can buy from Amazon or Flipkart. These are the 3 watch straps which I have got from Amazon only. Here you can see black, blue and white, and this is the green. According to your wish, you can change the watch straps. I have given these links in the description. From there also you can go and check. Now let's quickly open this watch. As you can see, a cover is provided for this watch. Here you can see the smartwatch. It looks so good and premium. Here you can see the heart rate sensor and the charging dot. The watch looks so premium, as you can see. As you can see, we have to scan this code from Zepp app and we have to install that app, and I will show you again. As you can see, the companion app for this AMAZFIT GTS 2 mini and all AMAZFIT watches, you have to download Zepp application, which is available in iOS and Play Store. From Android and Apple also you can use this app. Here you can see I have installed this application. Here you can see the preface looks like this. You have to log in with your credentials first of all. Then you have to click on here add devices. Here you can see many devices are there. You have to select watch, and here you can see it should be paid. So you have to allow all the permissions to run this app. You have to scan the QR code. Here you can see you have to scan this QR. Here you can see the watch is now paired successfully with this application. Now the pairing work starts. The app looks very neat and clean with all the features we need. This is basically a fitness band plus smartwatch with all smart features. Here we can see a software update is available for this watch. It is automatically being downloaded. It will take few minutes to download and install these updates. The app interface looks like this. All our data will be synced here. Here you can see the heart rate, pi, sleep score, cycles and goal tracker, everything you can see here. How many steps you have done and everything, the calorie burnt. And here in profile, here you can see many tons of settings here. Here you can see the data has been syncing. And from here you can change the watch face settings also. Here you can see there are many watch faces which we can simply sync to our smartwatch. And from here we can see all the incoming alerts, app alerts. You can set these settings on or off. And here we can see the vibration for every these things. Health monitoring. You can manually activate all these settings from this application Zepp. Here we have Amazon Alexa also. I will show this setting in the smartwatch. Here you can see system update. Yeah, the sync of this watch is very good and the data will be synced accurately from the home page. Here you can see the calories and the sleep data. I will use this watch 7 days and I will give the full review of this watch after 7 days. That will be the full video with all those features I am going to explain, and I will quickly show the watch also. Finally, this is the AMAZFIT GTS 2 mini. Let's see this watch. As you can see, the display is so good on this watch. This is the notification panel. Here you can see the maximum brightness of this watch. Here we have the physical button over here, and this is the complete overview of the watch. As you can see, this is the always on display. This watch is having always on display also, which is very good feature. And here you can see the activity goals, heart rate, SpO2, stress monitoring, oil, and weather. From here you can control the music settings also. And this watch is having an additional feature also. I am going to show you. That is Alexa. How are you? How are you? As you can see, it doesn't reply via sound, but it replies via text only. Convert $1 into Indian rupees. Yeah, as you can see the answer via text itself, which is very good feature. And as you can see, there are many features in this watch available. Activity goals, heart rate, speed tracking, workout. In workout, there are 70 different workouts which you can do. As you can see. As you can see, there are many kinds of workouts you can do in this watch. It provides 70 workouts. As you can see, the notifications are also being arrived from this watch. And here we have alarms, settings, cycle tracking, breathing, stress monitoring. And in the settings you can change the watch face, the screen off face, screen off, some screen lock settings, lift up on wrist, light up on notification, preference and settings, and system. As you can see, the touch response is also so good. If you click on more, you can access the weather, Alexa, music, countdown, stopwatch, Pomodoro tracker and world clock, compass and camera remote and find my phone. Every feature I have tested which is working very good. As you can see, all these there is no enough data so that I can show you now, but after 1 week I will definitely update in my new full review. As you can see, I test all these features manually. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and like this video and comment whatever features you like in this watch. And I have given this watch link in the description, and these watch tabs also in the description which I bought from Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe. Sumanth latest tech. Meet you in my next YouTube video. Thank you for watching.